Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this loose bun hairstyle. To start, I've left some hair out around the face. First of all, we're going to section the front of the hair from the ears forward and clip this out of the way for later, and do this on both sides of the head. Now we're going to split the remaining hair in half, and working on that right hand side, we're going to pop it into a low ponytail with a clear elastic band. On the last turn of that elastic band, don't pull the ponytail all the way through. Just pull it part way through so you create a loop and leave the ends hanging out. And then just repeat this on the left hand side. Next, taking hold of that loop on the right hand side, pop your fingers through it and grab the left hand loop and pull it all the way through. Pull each loop tight and secure the top of those loops to the head using as many bobby pins as needed. Release those front sections. Now we're just going to apply some texture spray to the crown of the head. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description below for you. And then we're just going to pinch and pull at the head just to loosen everything up a little bit. Take the hair on the right hand side, twist it towards the head and bring it over to the left hand side of that little bun, and then just secure it using a couple of bobby pins. Then take your fingers and pinch and pull at that twist to give it a bit more volume. Then repeat this on the left hand side, so twist it towards the head, but this time we're going to make a small hole in the right hand side of that first twist and pass that left hand twist through and join it to the top of the bun on the right hand side of the head. And again, loosen it up by pinching and pulling. With all the pieces that you've got hanging down, just take your straighteners and curve these around so it gives it a little bit of movement. So taking this little topsy tail tool, I'll link this in the description as well, I've just popped this into various places on the bun and just taken a couple of strands and passed them through. And here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.